G'day guys, this Renault Kangoo, we were just checking for carbon with the camera because the car's got this number 1 and 4 alternating misfire. What it is at the moment I don't know, but I can tell you one thing, right? I've removed these two to push that back, which is not required, okay? And the manifold came off. Right, you've got the bolts here, you've got 2 bolts back here, but this manifold has a little dowel here which I've just removed because I can't get it back on. Now bear in mind there's this tiny little hole here, okay, this sits on, and you've got a dowel here which slides into here, but I could not get this manifold on, and it is not acceptable to me the fact that I would have to undo the 2 bolts for the throttle body or whatever. It's just not on. So make sure your gaskets are in place, put whatever you need to on it, and then basically get your harness out of the way, okay, and you will be able to easily put this manifold back into its place, but not until you cut that dowel out that goes there. If there's another way to do it, I must be mistaken, but that's it. When you cut that dowel off, watch out because it can take your eye out. It hit the roof when I clipped it off with these. So okay, hope that helps guys. Hope that helps. Bye.